With me, I have Dr. Brenden Rickards, Dean of Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics at Rowan College at Gloucester County, and Mike Capone, Operations Manager at Paulsboro Refining Company. They're here to talk to us about a new degree program at RCGC. Thank you both so much for being here today.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Now, Brenden, process technology is one of the newest program offerings at RCGC. Can you give us some background on what process technology is?
Well, at the STEM division at RCGC, we pride ourselves on working with the local community of not only Gloucester County, but the southern New Jersey region. Process technology is a very, very, very intense degree program because what it's designed for is designed for students to get hands-on experience in the process industries. The process industries involve oil processing, chemical processing, petroleum processing, where they actually take crude oil and they break it down into the goods that we actually use, such as our gasolines, etc., and additives that we may be using today. So what we're looking to do is we're looking to have hands-on training for our students such that we can prepare them for the workforce, because at RCGC, that's what we really pride ourselves on in the STEM division.
That sounds really involved. What kind of skills will students be developing as part of this program?
So like I had mentioned, it is definitely a hands-on training opportunity. The students are going to learn some first aid, some CPR, because those are obviously not only life skills, but also important if you're going to be working in the refining industry. On top of that, they're going to do the actual work that they would be doing in the actual refining field. So they learn how to handle valves, pumps, etc., such that when they actually got on the floor of an oil refinery or a chemical processing plant, that they know the terminology and they know how to handle these equipment in any type of a scenario such that they can keep the plants running effectively.
Now, can you give us an idea of what kind of employment opportunities exist for somebody with this degree?
Absolutely. With this degree program, it is designed specifically to prepare students that graduate from this program to work in the process industries, meaning they would be doing the actual hands-on labor on the actual refineries and the chemical processing plants. So they would actually be out in the field, climbing all the way up our distillation towers and doing the hands-on work outside. So it's definitely for somebody that wants to be outside, wants to be doing physical labor while using their own mind to troubleshoot and actual situations that you would run into. Further along the line, this degree program potentially allows them to move up in these actual industries where they could potentially go on and become not only the hands-on operators, but actually the control system operators, where they kind of run different parts of the actual processing industry and the side of the plants.
And can you give us an idea of what kind of salary range somebody might be able to expect?
Absolutely. So ultimately it depends upon which type of career they go into. On average, most individuals that would complete our program would have a starting out average salary between $50,000 and $80,000 per year. They also potentially could go on to earn overtime. And again, this is all commensurate with experience, past experience, as well as future potential experience that they could be gaining.
Now, a new degree isn't the whole story here. There's also an internship and scholarship program sponsored by Paulsboro Refinery. Mike, can you give us a little background on what that entails?
Sure. Well, with the new program, we wanted to help it be as successful as it could be. So to help seed some interest in the program, we offered up 4 scholarships. 2 were reserved for students coming out of the town of Paulsboro. Obviously, we are committed to our local community, and we wanted to help them. And then 2 are, ad hoc. So we have a selection committee between the refinery and working with the school, and we select 4 candidates, and we're paying for all of the costs of the school, all of the books, etc., so that people can get into these programs and get onto good, high-quality jobs. And you mentioned the internship program, and that's really, to me, that's the hallmark of this program, because as Dr. Rickards said, we want to get people a hands-on experience and get them the training that they need to be successful in the industry. And the best way to do that is to give them true experience. So as part of the curriculum, we have an internship program, 10 weeks, so the summer between your 2 years, you'll be at the refinery working effectively as an operator under the direction of seasoned, qualified, experienced operators, but getting a taste for what it's like to work in the refinery and do the jobs and tasks that operators do. And it's a fantastic program, that really has 2 ambitions to it. One is to further the education of the individuals that are in this program, and 2, we're trying to get a sense of who these individuals are and are they, worthy for future consideration as permanent employees.
Now, is this internship only available to scholarship participants?
No, the scholarship participants are automatically enlisted into the internship program if they wish to be, but the internship program is open beyond just scholarship. We typically bring in about 15 interns a year, so we'll need to hire more than that. Yeah.
Well, that sounds like a great opportunity. I'm sure we'll have a lot of people lining up to participate. Thank you both so much for being here to talk to us about it.
Thank you very much for having us.